Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how to access family shared games on Steam. So let's get started. So once you're here on Steam, what you want to do is log in into your account first. And then from here, you want to click on Steam on the top left and click on settings. And from here, you want to simply go head over here into family. And this is where you can create or join a Steam family, hence you can share it right here. So click here. And then once you're here, you can join a family or create a family. So in this tutorial, we'll just be creating one. So click on create a family and let's just go for the name. So I'm just going to go for a sample, click on create. And then just like that, you now have a family. So to share this family right here with all the games is that you want to click here and invite a member. And this is where you can see your friend list right here. So there are suggested users and then you can invite them right here. So you can invite this user as an adult, as a child, and so on. So in my case, I'll just go for invite as adult and click on invite. Now all that's left is for this user to accept the invite right here. They should see this on their Steam notifications or in their email right there. So they would have confirmation regarding that. And then you can also go here into the library. And from here, you would now be able to add the games that will be included. So these are the included games right here, the free games right here. So you can also go for this one. You can select this. And as you can see, you will now be redirected into that game. So yeah, that is basically how you can do this right here. So you can manage your Steam family again. And this is where you can just modify the games right here and your settings and the members of your family. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.